OpenAI, as you all may know, is the company behind ChatGPT and has been creating big wave on the internet since a few days, as it unveiled its new AI model, Sora, which can create minute-long videos from text prompts. But why is Sora creating such a buzz when there are so many other AI tools which are already available that do the same stuff as Sora? Is it because of how well Sora does this job and does it perfectly? Or as it seems from the results that have been shared by OpenAI Sam Altman and other limited testers of the AI model. So far, the videos generated by Sora that we have been seeing are super realistic and detailed. So the question here is, how does Sora works? Why is it creating buzz? And what's going to be its implication now and in future? I'll tell you all in this Tech Explainer. Keep watching. So what is OpenAI Sora? Sora, an AI model developed by OpenAI, integrates advancements from previous research in DALL-E and GPT models. It's proficient in generating videos based on textual instruction and animating static images into dynamic video presentation. So in simple words, you give a text command on what video you want and Sora will make one for you. Sora can produce complete videos or extend existing ones with the maximum duration of 1 minute, ensuring exceptional visual quality and fidelity. OpenAI highlights Sora's capabilities to generate intricate scenes featuring diverse characters, precise action, and detailed backgrounds. The model not only comprehends user instructions but also interprets how these elements manifest in realistic contexts. So if you talk about the OpenAI blog that reads, the model has a deep understanding of language, enabling it to accurately interpret prompts and generate compelling characters that express vibrant emotions. Sora can also create multiple shots with a single generated video that accurately persists characters and visual style. So up next, how can you use Sora? Currently, Sora is exclusively available only to the members of the Red Team who are experts in fields like misinformation, hateful content, and bias. They examine key areas to identify potential issues or risks. OpenAI is also granting access to visual artists, designers, and filmmakers to gather feedback for improving the model. However, the company aims to make Sora accessible to all users in the coming future, which simply means that you and even I can use Sora and make videos out of it. OpenAI blog reads, "We are sharing our research progress early to start working with and getting feedback from people outside of OpenAI and to give the public a sense of what AI capabilities are on the horizon." Now, the big question that's worrying everyone, people, is OpenAI Sora safe? OpenAI has addressed the elephant in the room. If Sora is able to generate videos that are so realistic, is it safe to roll out to the public? OpenAI intends to implement various crucial safety measures before integrating Sora into its products. This includes close collaboration with Red Team members, specialists in areas like misinformation, hateful content, and bias, like we told you, and they will conduct through testing to uncover any potential weaknesses in the model. Additionally, OpenAI plans to develop tools to identify misleading content such as a detection classifier capable of recognizing videos generated by Sora. Furthermore, OpenAI will apply existing safety protocols developed for products like DALL-E, which are applicable to Sora. For instance, the text classifier will evaluate and decline input requests that contravene usage policies, such as those featuring extreme violence, sexual content, or hateful imagery. The company has implemented robust image classifiers to scrutinize each frame of generated videos, ensuring adherence to usage policies before user access. OpenAI is also engaged in ongoing collaboration with policymakers, educators, and artists globally to address concerns and explore the beneficial applications of this innovative technology. The OpenAI blog simply reads, "We'll be engaging policymakers, educators, and artists around the world to understand their concerns and to identify positive use cases for this new technology. Despite extensive research and testing, we cannot predict all of the beneficial ways people will use our technology, nor all the ways people will abuse it. That's why we believe that learning from real-world use is a critical component of creating and releasing increasingly safe AI systems over time. So OpenAI Sora represents a groundbreaking advancement in AI technology, no doubt, and it offers the capability to create visually stunning videos from the text instruction or static images, with a commitment to safety and collaboration with experts and stakeholders. OpenAI is dedicated to ensuring responsible and impactful deployment of this transformative tool. As Sora continues to evolve, it promises to unlock new possibilities for creativity, communication, and expression across various domains. Now guys, the question is, the next time you see a video on internet and you like it, the question that will for sure worry everyone, is that video real or fake? Think about it. Is that video real or fake? Yes, that's the OpenAI Sora for you. Think about it.